Welcome to Lombok Paradise. Your life-changing experience will start here at Ashtari Yoga. Al-Mitra, our lead teacher, will inspire you to a fitter, healthier and happier you. You will be spoilt with daily nourishing food prepared by our chef Mamiko. Dive deep into this program, learning yoga in all its forms, from daily asanas, pranayama, meditation, anatomy, philosophy, sacred sounds, Ayurveda, and so much more. Bring this yoga teaching journey to a full-time career, and most importantly, inspire others and contribute to humanity by passing this valuable knowledge to help others.
Really sum it up, I think it has been the most heartwarming mind, body and soul connection to myself, empowering me to connect to nature and to others and to the universe, and I'm so deeply grateful for the whole experience.
Aspire to inspire. May you become the lights that illuminates others. Aspire to inspire. May you become the lights that illuminates others.